Animals around us. First standard, unit 4, term 1, EVS. So here, if you can see, there is a picture with lot of different kind of animals in it. So you need to ask your child to name all the animals he or she knows. So here, if you can see, we have the monkey, snake, honeybees. We have a woodpecker, a squirrel, a goat, horse, dog, cat, cow, calf, and in the water we have ducks and crane and ants climbing on the anthill and the rooster sitting on the house. So check out how many animals your child knows. Now here we have ticked the animals you have seen. So I have ticked all of them because I have seen all of these: cat, ant, butterfly, horse, dove or pigeon, dog, rooster, or it's a hen, and a lizard. So you need to check out how many animals your child knows. Now here we have a bull and let us know its parts. You have hump, horn, head, neck, tail, leg. So when you describe any animal, you can use this vocabulary what they have given, like small, big, head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, teeth, tongue, horns, neck, color or patches, hair or fur, tail, legs and hump. Now here we have a goat again and we have to name the parts. So we have horn, head, neck, leg, tail. So here we're going to talk about animals. Okay, so when we talk about animals, we know there are some animals who are big and some not so big. So let's go through the animals. We think they are big in size, like lion, deer, giraffe, elephant, bear, tiger, cheetah. So comparing to these, rabbit, mosquito, ant, housefly, rat, cat, all those are small in size. Now just for your information, the elephant is the only animal that cannot jump. That's mainly because of its size. And here you have an activity wherein ask your child which is the favorite animal and you just need to stick the picture in there. Now when we are talking about animals, we need to talk about mammals also. So what do you mean by mammals? Mammals means some animals which have hair or fur on their body and they give milk to their babies. So that's why they are called mammals. Here are some examples: dogs, kangaroos and elephants. So when we talk about mammals, we also see a bat, which is a flying animal, a mammal, a whale, which is a swimming mammal, and us human beings, we are also called mammals because we have skin, we have hair on our body, and also we feed milk to our babies. Now these are some for your information again regarding the tails of animals. So a happy dog wags his tail, troubled cow swats flies with its tail, angry cat stays with its tail up. Now here they have given an interesting picture and in this picture there are hidden animals. So we can see elephant, then we can see a horse, we have a goat, and then we have a hen, and lastly we can see the fish. Now here we have a puzzle. Connect the heads of the animal to their legs. So first one is your lion, then we have zebra, then we have monkey, and then we have the elephant. So that's about animals. Now we are going to talk about birds. Okay, so here again there are a lot of birds. Ask your child which bird they can name and identify. So peacock, sparrow, eagle, crow, parrot, duck, pigeon, kingfisher, cock or rooster, myna, swan and owl. Now, to describe these birds, again we can use this vocabulary like size, color, wings, legs, beak, feathers and feet. Now, here are the parts of a bird: head, beak, wing, tail, feathers and feet. So here we have some birds and we need to match them with their names. So we have crow, duck, myna, swan, parrot and eagle. Then here we have some more birds wherein we need to write the similarities and differences. So similarities, they all are small birds. Crow, myna and sparrow can fly, whereas rooster, hen and crane they are not able to fly, and crane usually find them near the water. Now the similarity can be like they all eat fish, but they also eat seeds. Now birds are also animals. They have two wings, two legs and a beak. They eat with the help of their beak, but they do not have any teeth, and their legs help them to walk around and run. Okay, they have colorful feathers, which we all know. So each bird have different types of feathers, and the most colorful is the peacock feather. The peacock is the largest flying bird. So when we say birds, some of the birds they can fly, but there are birds who cannot fly, like emu, kiwi, penguin and ostrich. And there are some birds who can swim very well and they live in the pond, like duck, swan and water hen. Now this is a exercise wherein we need to tick the birds that can fly. We have kingfisher, parrot and crow. Now here we need to match the birds with their beaks and feet. Okay, so we start from parrot and then we have the crow, then we have the duck and then we have the eagle, then we can see myna and the swan. Now here we are going to talk about insects also. So this example we can actually do it at home because most of kids are at home and the schools are closed as of now. So walk around your home or just outside the house and see how many insects you can see, and count the numbers and enter in the circle. So here they have given us some insects and we need to tick if we have seen these insects. So commonly we can see butterfly, mosquito, ant and housefly. These are the easy ones, but beetle and dragonfly you get to know or you can see only if there are a lot of bushes, like flower bushes and all stuff in front of the house, as well as grass. Okay, then observe the picture of the insects. Here are some insects. They're given us the name as well: honeybee, leaf insect, beetle, wasp, stick insect, cockroach, grasshopper and head louse. Now this is for your information again. Butterflies are good friends of flower. And insects, they are tiny animals and they have 6 legs. Okay, some insects even have wings that help them to fly. Like here, if you can see, we have dragonfly and butterfly. But some animals, they are tiny but they are not insects. They have more than 6 legs. Like here, we have centipede, we have spider, we have millipede, and some insects cannot fly, like silverfish. Okay, now this is an activity, but we of course know, but you can do it and show it to your children. Like even if we leave some sweets, not only sugar, we leave some sweets on the table or in the kitchen. After some time we can see ants coming and eating it. Okay, now here we have some insects, they look like leaves and sticks. So examples are leaf insects. So basically when you look at it, you feel it is just a leaf. But when you see it closely, you know they are insects and it is called leaf insect. Same goes with stick insect. They look like a stick, you know, a small wooden stick on the branch or on the tree which is already dried up. But when you actually look closely, then only you come to know it is a stick insect. Okay, here we have animal protection. So, question has been asked with the picture, a parrot in the cage. Is this bird happy? What do you think? You can ask the same question with your child and see what they have to say. So for me, the parrot is not happy because it's caged in. Basically, birds like to fly around in the open and they want to be in their natural habitat. And when they are caged in, they don't get all those, they don't have the freedom. So, I feel the bird is not happy. Then we have bird bath. So basically what happens is some people who really love birds, they keep water in the big pots, this mud pots out, especially during summer, and they keep the feed also in the bird feeder, and the birds come in, they drink water, they have bath, they play happily in the water and they enjoy it. Here, how can we care for animals around us? So we can feed them, we can take them to the vet, and leave the birds in the open and do not cage them. Okay, now color the given circle for the do's. We have a lady taking care of the dog. Then we have a man feeding the dog. Then we have a girl taking the pet maybe to the vet. And the last one is feeding the chickens. Now solve the riddle and connect to the pictures given. I live in the trees and like to climb. I like bananas. Who am I? Monkey. I live in the forest. I have sharp teeth. People call me the king of the jungle. Who am I? I'm the lion. I have no legs, but I slither on the ground and on the trees. Who am I? Snake. I'm not a bird, but I can fly. I collect nectar from flowers and make honey. Who am I? Honeybee. I'm a mammal. I have big ears. I have a long trunk and I walk on 4 legs. Who am I? Elephant. What do you see in this picture here? How can we care for the animals around us? Talk about it. Again, this is a question for your child. If you have a pet at home, then definitely your child will know what to do with the pet, how to take care of it. So here we have a picture wherein the dog is given bath by its owner and the dog is at the vet. Now take the animals whose parts are found in the picture. So they have given a picture, if you can see in the middle, and various parts of different animals are attached to it. So we have the face which belongs to the lion. Then we have the wings of the bird. Then we have the front legs which belongs to the horse and the hind legs which belongs to the elephant. And then we have giraffe's tail and then tiger's stripes. And then we have the horns also of the ox.